2020, since pandemic starts, no work, no place to go. So, we decided to travel where we live. From the northernmost island in Mindanao, Dinagat Highlands. We don't wait for the memories to come, we make them. And my kuya bought the Avanza for my family. They're so happy we need the rides. Nagpalit na rin ako ng mga brake pads para makaiwas sa mga sitwasyon kagaya nito. Wasak no wasak! Sinet-up ko na rin yung lumang pickup ko. Pinaayos ko na yung track bed by the storage para lahat ng regs ready to go. Madalas sa mga biyahe namin, wala talaga kaming destinasyon. Pero saan man kami mapadpad, isa lang ang mahalaga, ligtas ang bawat isa at masaya. And this is Ian Dave, Kent, si Uncle June, si Charles, at si Aaron, si Munmon, si Shanshan, syempre si Eliza, si Rosel, at syempre ako, Jeff. And we are the Cabañas and Naputo Farm. Beware of us.